Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can download a file someone has shared with you on WeTransfer really quickly. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on WeTransfer and let's assume, for example, someone has shared a file or an item with you. In this case, guys, you'll be notified of that sharing via email. So head over to the email address the given contact has sent you the given item to. And after that, you should see an email sent to you via WeTransfer. So check that it has really been sent from that address here. You see in the top left corner. And if that's the case, guys, within that email, you will see that button here, get your files, with the sender address here and the file name here. We get the file size, the expiration date, the item amount or number, and so on and so forth. So you may click on that file or on that button here to get redirected to your account here on WeTransfer and to download the given file by clicking on download here. Or alternatively, guys, you can use the direct download link here, for example. So let me click on it really quickly. After that, I will be redirected to my account here on WeTransfer. And here on the left hand side, you will see that notifications. Your files are ready. Bear in mind, guys, that there is an expiration date. So make sure that you download the given item within that expiration date before it expires. And click on this button here to save the given file on your device. By clicking on that button here, you will see the preview below. And that's it, guys. That's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and see you next time.